Anna here from EQ Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. We have Mr. Bharat Singh from Deye, Director of Sales and Marketing. Warm greetings from EQ Media, sir. Give an intro about yourself and also your company.
Yeah. Myself, Bharat Singh, Director for Sales and Marketing for Deye in India. Deye is into the manufacturing of solar inverters, micro inverters, string inverters and hybrid inverters, and also from past 2 to 3 years, we have started manufacturing of our batteries also, lithium batteries. Apart from that, as we are a specialist in rooftop, we are entering into the utility products also.
Okay, great. And what business you done in the last financial year? Please share about few words on it.
Yes, last financial year, we completed 1.5 gigawatt in the units what solar get measured. And in the coming year, the next financial year, we're targeting the double. It is a 3 gigawatt because of the demand from Indian market, and we are all geared up to cater to the Indian market for the demand.
Great. And how about launch plans for this year?
Yes, as I told earlier, we are experts into the rooftop. For the coming year, we are coming up with the utility containerized solutions, which will be the demand for in the market, and we are ready to supply. Most probably in a couple of months, we will be launching it in all India, that particular product, utility containerized solutions.
And please enlightening with our tech roadmap and manufacturing capacity roadmap as well.
Yes, as you see, in India, solar is very in booming and also in demand. Module manufacturing has seen its exponential growth, but now it's time for the inverters. Inverters this year, India has seen little bit of manufacturing startups, but in the coming year, yes, there will be a lot of manufacturing happening in inverters in India, and we are also ready to cater to the suppliers, or even we are interested to manufacture in Indian market. Technology wise, yes, lithium is the technology now, and go forward, we are into the utility sector, C&I sector, and we are ready to put up a manufacturing plant in India.
Super. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for taking the time out from your busy schedule for sharing the few words about the latest technology and also the future goals, everything. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.